In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Drive cache. If Google Drive is loading slowly, not syncing properly, or showing outdated information in your browser, clearing the site cache can often help fix those issues. The good news is that you don't need to clear your entire browser history or cache. Instead, you can remove the saved site data just for Google Drive, which is much quicker and more targeted. To get started, open your browser and go to your Google Drive homepage. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on, because you'll be accessing the site settings directly from the address bar. Once you're on Google Drive, look at the URL area in your browser. Near the web address, you should see the option to view site information. Depending on your browser, this may appear as a small icon, such as a lock symbol or site settings icon. Click on that to open the website information panel. In the panel that appears, click on Cookies and Site Data. This section gives you access to the information your browser has stored specifically for Google Drive. It's useful when you want to refresh how the site behaves without affecting other websites you use. Next, select Manage On-Site Device Data. This will show you the stored data linked to the Google Drive site. At this point, you're essentially viewing the cached files and related site storage that may be causing loading or performance issues. Now look for the bin icons next to the Google Drive site URL. Click the bin icon or icons to remove that stored site data. This is the key action that clears the cache for Google Drive in your browser. Keep in mind that after doing this, the site may take a little longer to load the next time because it needs to rebuild fresh cache files. That's completely normal. After you've deleted the relevant Google Drive site data, click Done to confirm and close the panel. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the Google Drive cache. If Google Drive was acting up before, you can now refresh the page and check whether the issue has been resolved. In many cases, this simple cleanup helps with display problems, syncing delays, or pages that don't update correctly. If needed, you can repeat the same process later anytime Google Drive starts behaving strangely. Again, it's a quick maintenance step that can save a lot of troubleshooting time.